for prediction 1, I have this cube, and I would like you to predict whether this cube will float or sink, or if you don't have enough information, check that, if I were to put it into this liquid. And then after you do that, I want you to give me the reason why you made that prediction. So you're going to predict whether this cube will float, whether it will sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that, and then give me the reason why you said that. Now what I'm going to want you to do is to describe what I did and what happened, okay? So make sure you can see what I'm doing. If you need to adjust where you're sitting, please feel free to do so. Okay? I want you to describe what I just did and what happened. And you want to do it in such a way that if someone were not here, they would know what took place. And you also want to make sure you're just describing what you observed. You're not explaining anything or interpreting, just what you observe. Question?
Can you write and can you also draw?
You can do whatever you want to for this. Okay, everyone ready for prediction 2? It has the same look up here, I have a smaller cube this time. And there's something I want to show you about this smaller cube. It should be about the same. The mass balance has been a little unblocking today. That's a larger cube. If I put the smaller cube on, you can see that the mass is basically the same thing. So keep that in mind. They have the same mass. What I want you to do for prediction 2 is to predict whether this cube will float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that if I put it into this liquid. Then give the reason why you said that. Okay, everyone ready? Everyone ready? Okay. Again, you're going to describe what I did and what happened. Okay, you'll notice I have the large cube again. And again, I'd like you to make a prediction about whether this cube will float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that if I put it into this liquid. Okay, everyone ready? Okay. Again, you're going to describe what I did and what happened. Okay, here we go. Okay, everyone look up here for prediction 4. I'd like you to predict again whether this will float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that if I put it into this liquid. I'm going to predict whether this cube will float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate it, and then tell me why you said that. Okay. For observation 4. What I have here is a mystery cube, and it's the same size as this cube. But what I want you to do is consider two possibilities with this mystery cube. The first possibility I want you to consider is, if this cube were lighter than these cubes, what do you predict would happen if I put it into these liquids? Will it float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that. Then the second possibility is, if this cube were heavier than these cubes, what do you predict will happen if I put it into these liquids? Will it float, sink, or if you don't have enough information, indicate that. So you're considering two possibilities. The first possibility, if the cube is lighter, what will it do in these liquids? And the second possibility is, if it's heavier, what will it do in these liquids? Then give the reason why you made that prediction. So I'm going to have you do that right now in thought experiment 1. Okay, let's consider thought experiment 2. We've been talking about cubes. Now I want you to think about a mystery liquid. And what I want you to think about is, what properties would a mystery liquid have to have in order for this cube to be able to float in it? Now, just some information about this cube. Its mass is 2 grams. And one length of one of its sides is 1 centimeter. So what properties would a mystery liquid have to have so that when you put this cube in it, it's going to float? The cube, again, has a mass of 2 grams and the length of one side is 1 centimeter. So that's what I want you to do for thought experiment 2.